Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Which one you think easier for do? If you tell somebody, say you are pardon them for the wrong way they do, or if heal one cripple man. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 17 to verse 26. One day when Jesus did a teach, some Pharisee and some of the law teacher them did sit down and listen to him. Them come from every district in Galilee, Judea, and Jerusalem. Panda day, God give Jesus the power to make the sick people them better. Jesus did a teach when some man come with them crippled friend, pan one stretcher. Then try to carry him in a house, to put him in front of Jesus. Sake of the crowd, them couldn't do it. So them climb up on the house top and let him down through the roof. Them put him right in the middle of the crowd in front of Jesus. When Jesus see how them believe in him tell the crippled man say, "Friend, me pardon you from all of your sin them." The Pharisee and the law teacher them start say to themselves, say, who him think him be? Come a disrespect God. No, God one can pardon sin. Jesus didn't know where them did a think, and so him asked them, say, when me couldn't think them sitting there in our heart, which one easier fi say? Me pardon you sin them, or get up and walk? But for me couldn't know, me I go show no say the man where God pick have the right and the power for pardon sin on earth. So Jesus said to the crippled man, say, get up, take up your stretcher, and go your yard. Same time, the crippled man turn up in front of them, pick up him stretcher, and head for him yard and give God the praise. Everybody frightened about what they see and start to praise God. Them say, we see some big miracle today. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.